Peace, love, poetry. It is Sunday, August 23rd, 2020, and I got my notification that something was in the mailbox. So, today we'll see what unboxing. This is really easy to open, thankfully. I'm trying to remember. Oh, I think it's that piece of jewelry that I got for free. Comes in a cute little box. Thank you for your order. Narrow path. I'm trying not to mess up the paper. I'm probably going to gift it. If you can spare 2 minutes to post a review, we would very much appreciate it, for it is only through customer feedback that we can ensure we are offering products that you like. That was cute. I'm like really impressed by this box. For girls and young women. It says, "When I count my blessings, I count you twice." I don't know if it'll fit on my hand. Maybe my baby's hand. But definitely a gift. Thought about my mommy too, but if it don't fit on my hand, I know it won't fit on hers. And I do have a beautiful, beautiful daughter who is very much a blessing, my little miracle. Thanks for watching. I'll be back this week with more unboxing and reviews. I am going to do another video later in the week of the things I've collected over the past week or two and tell you how I like them. I'll probably do it later today. So, peace, love, poetry. See you later.